Okay, this is hole number 2. Didn't get a chance to work on these very much, but I did get a hole-in-one with the second shot here. I'll show you the first shot, what I did with this attempt. Like I mentioned, I did it 2 different ways. I played this at 20% max distance elevation, 4 back, 3 right. I'm looking for the plus 11 yard marker, and I'm putting the blue halfway inside the sand trap. So that's 4 back, 3 right, plus 20% max distance at the 11 yard marker. Now I did play this shot a little bit earlier than this, and I put it right close to the green. I just got a different shot here on this one here, so that's why I played a different shot on the back line, because I found it kind of, wind dependent, depending on what the wind strength here is and the angle is. I figured I just wanted to try something different, but it is it is a starting point. It's something a guy can work on, maybe for future tournaments. So that's the way I played in qualification round. I will show you how I played in the final round now. Now here's my attempt in the final round. I did play this shot with a navigator as well. So you don't necessarily have to use a Kingmaker here. In fact, I got the same success from my navigator. I did hit a hole-in-one with a navigator, and I hit it off the pin with a navigator with no backspin. That's why I discovered to put backspin on it. Here I put 1 back, I believe. With the navigator, I played 1 back, 1 left, and that's when I hit the pin. The second bounce was closer to the sand trap with it. Here I'm just trying to get the third bounce, so it's just before the fringe, and I'm trying to get the tip of the ball guide to line up towards the hole. It's kind of hard to do when you don't have enough time to work on these shots. What I would do is look at the squares on the green and where the ball guide is and what it's running through. And depending on what happens with the shot, I might go a little bit more left, a little bit more right. See, it looks like we just missed by a half a square to the right. So the next time I would probably just line everything up a half a square more over to the left. But this was early, and this is how I played it. And it ain't a bad way to play it. But when I did my adjustment, I adjusted that at 1-to-1 plus 1 ring. So what I would do is use the navigator, go 0.2 back spin, 1 bar left spin, and adjust it 1-to-1 plus 1 ring. So that's it, hole 2.